Most people assume that having an AI coding assistant write entire applications for you means paying a steep monthly subscription fee. But you can bypass those costs entirely by connecting Cline, an open source extension, directly to the free tier of Google's Gemini 1.5 Flash model. To get this running, you only need 3 basic things: a local installation of VS Code, an empty project folder, and a standard Google account. Once configured, your workflow changes. Instead of typing out manual syntax line by line, you provide the high-level logic, and the AI handles the actual implementation. Step 1. Open Visual Studio Code to a blank workspace. Click the extensions icon. Search for Cline. Find the official release to ensure you get the secure version, and hit install. You'll know it's ready when the robot icon appears. Think of this extension as your local project manager. It doesn't have the brain to write code yet, but it has the permissions to read your files and execute commands once we connect it to an intelligence source. Navigate to aistudio.google.com and sign in with a free Google account. Click Get API Key in the left menu, then the blue Create API Key button. When the key appears, copy it immediately before the dialog closes, as it hides permanently. This key is simply a digital handshake. It's what allows your local Cline extension to safely send requests to Google's computational servers at zero cost. Switch back over to Visual Studio Code, open the Cline panel, and click the Settings gear at the top. Under the API Provider drop-down menu, select Google Gemini. Below that, find the API key field and paste in the credential you just securely copied from Google AI Studio. Finally, set your specific model to Gemini 3.5 Flash. This is the exact engine that offers high-speed execution while staying well within the free tier limits. With those settings saved, the bridge between your local editor and the Cloud API is established. Your workspace is ready to start building. Let's test this by having the AI generate an application from scratch. Down in the Cline chat bar, type a plain English instruction, like asking it to build a simple to-do application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once you hit enter, the AI begins the file creation phase. It evaluates your request, plans the architecture, and immediately starts generating the necessary files directly in your workspace. Because the system remembers the context of your conversation, you can ask for immediate follow-up changes. We can simply type in a request to redesign the UI with a dark mode and rounded cards. Instead of erasing your project and starting over, the AI scans the files it just created and surgically updates the specific lines of code needed to apply your new design. This iteration loop demonstrates how the development process changes when you move from writing individual characters of code to evaluating how a model executes your natural language instructions. Let's look at the result. Opening our index file in a browser tab, we have a fully functional application built in seconds. Our follow-up instructions were executed precisely. The interface utilizes a dark color scheme, and the list items feature the rounded styling we requested during the iteration loop. Now that the environment is fully configured, you have moved past the initial setup phase. This framework allows you to start prototyping custom tools or testing your own ideas without the friction of monthly overhead. By pairing an open-source local manager with a free-tier intelligence API, you have a sustainable, powerful development workflow that costs nothing to maintain.